Hey everyone, wanted to start by showing you this dry painting. I love it. I love all the squiggly loose edges. It turned out very cool. And today I am going to do an airbrush technique. And these are the colors I'm using. I'm using Liquitex Deep Violet, Grumbacher Prussian Blue, a mixed yellow, and a mixed red. I'm hoping the yellow is not a mistake in this. We shall soon find out. Yellow can be risky. So I'm going to pour, this is, I'm not sure what size canvas. It's either 8 by 8 or 10. Let's see. It is a 8 by 8 inch canvas. That's how I measure things, by other canvases. So this is my base coat, which is house paint mixed with Floetrol and water. And while it is sinking down the sides, I need to get my torch. I was doing resin earlier. Ow! Tripped over. My studio is a mess. All right. So there's the Prussian blue. Do deep violet, which I just love this color. And then the yellow, which hopefully plays nice. Ah, it's not going out nice. And some red. Alrighty. Now the airbrush. The colors kind of disappeared over here a little bit. But I really like it. I really like the colors. I am surprised that it got so light over there. It just must not have been put on as heavy. And the yellow played nice. There's just so many interesting components to look at in here. So thank you so much for watching, and I will catch y'all next time. Bye.